Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mini Stars Academy. Hello kids, let's go start ABC Phonics with fun. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for egg. F for fish, F for fish. G for glass, G for glass. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jug, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. L for lemon, L for lemon. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nipple, N for nipple. O for orange, O for orange. P for pineapple, Q for queen. R for rose, R for rose. S for sun, S for sun. T for telephone, T for telephone. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, X for xylophone. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. Great job, kids! Well done! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.